your boy CheekiiChaps here, and I'm back with another video. Just got a notification in school. My silver play button has arrived today. Going home right now to unbox it.
Come on. Oh. What are you doing right now? Come on, you can do it. Just believe. Oh my God. Come on, man. Dude, come on.
Alright, if you guys didn't know, I'm a professional carver. Let me show you my skills. Alright, next step, we take off the tape. Oh my God. Some of this has YouTube in it. Do you want to get a shot of this? Did we get a package from YouTube, you guys? Wonder what this could be. Yeah, it was kind of dirty. Oh well. You've just done something very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. I'm not going to read the rest, but signed by Susan CheekiiChaps, CEO. You take off this foam. This is you guys right here. CheekiiChaps, all of you guys. I couldn't have made it without each and every one of you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel.